Hi fellas, a little bit of an experiment here. I've got a little box there on top of the scope. I have an IR scope, and we've got two quite powerful IR LEDs, the 5mm LEDs, unlike the 3mm ones they use on the AL Priority and the adaptive. They do it with cheapness, of course. These are far more powerful, and they work out about, well, in dollars, about 90 cents each, I think. But they still want to use the little cheap lower powered versions because it keeps the profits as high as possible. I've got a photo transistor in the centre there, so let's see. Oh, there we are. So yeah, I know. It's one of them. You have trouble hitting it with the lights off. You have trouble seeing the infrared properly with the lights on. Plus, I've got a crack on. I've got a crack on my photo lens, on the camera lens. See that? Oh, do you hear that noise on the gun? It's a very good sign, that is. If it starts doing that, you know you're halfway to jamming it. Yeah, the colours definitely. I've got a crack on my screen on my phone, unfortunately. Hear that? When it does that, you know it's well on the way to getting jammed up. Because these pulses that are coming out, of course, yeah, it's definitely lowered the brightness. These pulses that are coming out are at a completely different timing to what's been fired in. There you go. It's definitely something wrong with this phone. It's not showing. Hear that? It's not half as bright as it should be. Anyway, I'll get a new phone next day or two. So not much luck with phones these days. There we go. As you see, it's playing a reaction to the gun, which is quite a difficult thing to do. Yeah. There we go. Yep. Every time it gets a strong beam, 2 LEDs, makes the gun trip. There we go. Oh, I think it knocks it out then. I think it did. It can do sometimes. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's knocking it to R2 occasionally. It's a very good sign. I can see it with my naked eye, but it's not just glowing red, fairly bright red. See it better on the camera. These pulses out the LEDs are actually quite a bit brighter than this. It's just a damaged phone. So call it a day. I hope that's something just you drivers and you guys into ECM systems. This basically, if you look at it, is a kind of a rudimentary blinder head. So I'll post it on, leave it in the comments if you like. Different people call them different things. Sometimes people call them parking aids, sometimes people call them laser jammers, sometimes people call them laser diffusers. They're all the same thing really. They'll do the same job. Okay. Signing off for now guys. Catch you again. Bye bye.